deep into the 2026 Rolls-Royce Ghost. Not just a quick walk around, but a full, honest conversation about what makes this car special, how it performs, and what you should know if you're thinking about owning one. Imagine the car pulling up, the coach door opening, and you feeling that first bubble of silence and presence. That's the Ghost's whole personality: serene, confident, unapologetically luxurious. Under the long, elegantly sculpted hood sits a twin-turbo V12 that's been tuned for that trademark Rolls delivery. Instant, effortless power without drama. The numbers are roughly 563 horsepower and about 627 lb-ft of torque in standard form, with the black badge variant offering a noticeable bump in output. Power goes through an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and while configurations vary, the result is always the same: smooth, commanding acceleration that feels effortless for such a heavy luxury sedan. On the road, the Ghost isn't chasing sports cars. Instead, it moves with calm authority, gliding from 0 to 60 mph in just over 4 seconds. The key experience here isn't speed, it's silence. The car absorbs imperfections, isolates noise, and maintains composure no matter the surface. The steering feels light but confident, and the ride quality is so refined that Rolls-Royce has its own word for it: waftability. The design of the 2026 Ghost remains faithful to Rolls-Royce tradition, timeless and dignified, yet subtly modernized. The signature Pantheon grille stands tall, flanked by sleek LED headlights with a more sculpted finish. The body lines are smoother, the stance more confident, and the proportions unmistakably Rolls. It's the kind of car that doesn't need to shout to be noticed. Its presence speaks volumes. Step inside and you enter another world. The cabin is handcrafted luxury at its purest. Soft leather, open-pore wood, deep carpeting, and the signature Starlight Headliner that transforms the ceiling into a field of glowing constellations. Every surface is designed to please the senses. The seats adjust in countless ways, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Whether you're driving or being chauffeured, the comfort level borders on surreal. Technology plays a quiet supporting role. You get all the modern conveniences: a high-end infotainment system, premium audio, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and night vision. But it's all presented with subtlety. Rolls-Royce hides most of the tech behind elegant design so that the cabin feels timeless rather than futuristic. Everything works smoothly and silently, just as you'd expect. Space is generous, with enough legroom and headroom for everyone to relax. The trunk is large for a luxury sedan, and the long wheelbase version adds even more room in the back. Fuel economy isn't the Ghost's strong suit, but efficiency isn't really the point here. Refinement, comfort, and craftsmanship are. What truly sets the Ghost apart is its balance between prestige and practicality. It's luxurious enough to serve as a chauffeured limousine, yet manageable enough to drive daily. The black badge version adds a more assertive personality, featuring darker exterior elements, sportier tuning, and a sharper driving feel. Ideal for those who want performance with presence. Ownership of a Rolls-Royce Ghost is as much about the experience as the car itself. Maintenance and running costs are high, but the after-sales service and craftsmanship justify it for those who value perfection. Every Ghost can be personalized through Rolls-Royce's bespoke program, allowing you to choose unique paint shades, custom interiors, and one-of-a-kind details. In a world where luxury cars often chase trends, the Ghost stands for something timeless: quiet strength, effortless power, and craftsmanship that few brands can match. It's not about showing off. It's about enjoying an environment designed to perfection. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Ghost isn't just a car.
It's an experience, smooth, silent, and supremely confident.
Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the rear seat, it reminds you what true luxury feels like. Calm, composed, and beautifully built for those who appreciate excellence in every detail.